Okay, well, it's been about a week since we did the glue up. Uh, Things turned a little bit if you hadn't noticed. It's a little bit colder, wind's blowing, trees are losing all their leaves. But we're ready to get these out of this, get them sanded down. We're going to use 80 grit, and then I'm going to go to 120. And I think that's about all I'm going to do. I'm not going to worry too much about what it looks like. That's the wife's department. She gets to be our finish girl. All right, here we go, sanding away. Got a bunch of squeeze out. All right, that was fun. That was 80 grit. Now we're going to switch over to 220, get them smoothed out, get them ready to get some finish on them. So okay, well, it's been a couple days and we've had a drastic temperature change. We're now in the 50s, so let's get this box glued up or screwed together, whatever you want to call it. All right, got it all laid out over here. We're going to make some plugs to cover up the screws. So I'll get busy on that. You'll watch and tell me what I'm doing wrong. Okay, took some recondoing, but had to do some refiguring. Had to, don't ignore that. That's gonna get drawn in with the screws. But we have almost one box. So now I'm gonna I'm going to drill the pilot holes. I can talk, I promise. I'm good at it. I'm gonna drill the pilot holes, drill the countersink, screw it in there, and then we'll have a box. We'll take the clamps off and see how she looks. All right, stay tuned. go. Mailbox. Okay, I've seen some guys use a card or something. I'm not really concerned too much, so I'm just gonna bob these off, give her a good sand. Harbor Freight. Comes to this house, this has cut a lot of stuff. My worst fear is I'm going to start doing this, and when plugs are going to fall out because I didn't go deep enough. This will be the one here. You can use a chisel, but sometimes you take a little too much with the chisel, so. Alright. Oh, can I spin it? Without it all falling off. That was scary. Alright. Alright, that's it for those. All we gotta do now is sand the whole body. I have to take the lid off. And then we'll be ready for finish. Check back. Check out the battery.